Flicker. Well, hey guys. So we're finally doing Arachne. Sobrang delayed na. Yep, ganun pa rin ang box. Very unwieldy. Hindi yung hero nasa harapan. Weird. Nice. How to play leaflet. Nice. May hero overview. Then the usual. One box natin ito. Oh well. Oh wow. Ayaw guys. Wait lang. Blood Rat Fox. Alam nyo na yan guys. Uy, Mark. Namiss ko na yung mga hero cards ng Armory deck na wala yung label. Parang quasi Marvel. Oh, token again. Lagyan natin dito. So yeah, ito. Race Spotters. Ganda. Yes, on rare. Sage playable. Nice. Inverter's Nightfall. Majestic. Hindi masyadong halata yun. Foiling niya. Rage Baiters, also on Majestic. Uso ngayon yan. Rage baiting. Stalker Steps, also on rare. Sage din, nice. Sage playable. EB na mga assassin. Arachne, Sleepy Tracks. Sleepy. Hindi siya foil. Hunter Slave. Infamously underprinted. Sabi nila. Spider's Bite. Boss token. Uy! 3 off, Art of Body. Wala ako nito. Nice. This attacks, less attack action guard will start to play this combo chain. Uy, nice. Longer chains. 3 off. Kailangan hanapin. Infect. Step. When this hits a hero, create a Blood Rat box. Oh! Kaya pala malalim Blood Rat box. 3 off din. Infiltrate. This hits a hero, banish the top card of their deck. You may play it until the end of your next turn. Ooh, oh, 1 off lang. Ba yan? I think meron na ito lang before. Mark of the Black Widow. Recently, Ginawa ko ng Sage decks. Ating mga trainees. Yes, ito din. Part of the family. Yep. Oh, 3 of Meat Madness. Very nice. Tinamaan na ako nito eh. Nakakairita. Take 2 pieces. Meron tayo nito. 3 of din. Prowl. Sinuzuri pa to. Then this attacks, the next attack means 30 damage and gets plus 1. Yep. Key off. Sputtle, this attacks a marked hero, this gets go again. Oh, okay. Nag-clear din pala siya kung mag-mark. 3 off. Come on, 3 off. Ay! Ano ba yun? 1 lang. When this hits a hero, steal an item they control. Oh, okay. Hindi mo masyadong kailangan ito. Anti-mechanologists and pirates, I guess. Nature's Edge. Marami na yan. Spike with Blood Rot. Target attack action card with stealth gets plus 3. On hit, create a Blood Rot box. 3 off. Sage playable rares. Stains of the Redback. 1 less to play. If hero is marked, pump siya. Back pump. With stealth plus 3 and go again. 3 up. Why 3 up? Horrors of the Past. This attacks gets the base abilities of the last attack action card with stealth you control on the combat chain. 0 cost. Tulong on yellow. Blocks for 3. Uy, Shred. I think manabili na ako nito. 3 off. It's still very nice. 3 off. 3 off. Ah! Dalawa lang pero very good. Na kailangan natin. Take up the mantle. Very nameless ang art. Yeah. Mark of the black hero on blue. Mark of the funnel. The 2 off on blue. Reverse Fall. Nice. 3 off on blue. Discard mark opposing hero. Oh, what's this? Knight's Embrace. It's a 3 off. Attack with certain plus 1 this time. From there. Okay. Pump. Shred on blue. 3 of them. Very nice. Let's leave him up. Kaya mo na ako. Red. On blue. Chinese. Not sure kung na-encounter ko naman before. But the art, talagang flesh and blood. Very nice. First call. I guess meron din ito on red. blue. On hit, Mark Hero. Oh, no. When this hits a Mark Hero, banish a card from the arsenal. Ridiculous. Banish it from hand. Ay, grabe naman. Take of the Mantle. Target attack after garbage step gets +2. It's attacking a Mark Hero instead it gets +3. And you may banish an attack after garbage step from your graveyard. If you do, the target becomes a copy of the banished card. Wow. That's a mouthful. Should have been yellow. Ito daw ang pinakamagandang shred. Colors of the Past. When this attacks, gets the base against the last attack action card with stealth to control and combat chain. Base abilities. Nakakaralig yun. Not very sure what that means. I think the text box. Strings of the red back. On red. And just to play. Sleepy doesn't care kung March yung target. Ang dami naman dito. Target action garbage that gets +3. This is a rotated level. Edge. Razor Reflex at home. Position against neck. On hit, steal an item. Scuttle the Canal. Eh, ginawa ko to. This attacks. Swimming sa kanal. If you know, you know. Wow. This attacks, next attack means that it is only +1. Oh, hindi siya on hit. Ayos ah. Okay, gets galing. Pick to pieces. Nakipuncture na po. Stealth, if you play or activate attack action, this can be gets +1 and damage will be that can't be prevented. Meet Madness up next. Marquee card niya. Choose a card in their hand, banish it. Choose a card arsenal, banish it. Or banish it a card from their side. Very annoying. Mark of the Red on reds. Yep. Natin yan. Basta mark. Banish ang arsenal. CNC. Home. Mark of the Black Widow. Leave no weaknesses at home. Basta mark. Banish a card from their hand. Hit pain. Infiltrate. 1 off. Visits hero, banish that part of their deck. You may play it until the end of your next turn. Pinakaw mo na. Deck. Visits a hero, create a blood rot box token. Mostly 3, eh? They also defend good thing. Kasi block for 3. Click. On red. On attack. Next attack action garbage that gets go again. Nice. What design, buddy? Kulang ko nito. This is very nice. Tatlo na siya. On hit, banish top card. If it's red, gain life. And draw a card, which is very important. Galing. Spider's Bite na non-token. Once certain action, pay 2 attack. Go again. This hits a hero the next time they defend with 1 or more action cards. Minus 1. Interslave. On hit mark. This is very nice. Ating hero card. First attack with stealth. Hey! There's something wrong. Wait. Tapos na pala tayo. Oof. Wait lang guys. I need more steps. Almost done. Yeah. Right. Steps. Foil. Ganda. Sage playable guys. Rage Raiders. Huh? Attack reaction 1 target attack. Instead gets... Huh? Very nice. Sige lang. Destroy this. Okay, this one destroy this. And then when you play an attack, one destroy. Gain 1. Oh, okay. Nice. Battle 1 pa. Play spotters. Again, Sage playable. Destroy this mark target. Opposing hero. Very nice. Oh, we're done. Blood box. Okay, para. Ito sleeves. Okay, that's it. You will see us in the next vid. Thank you for watching.